What's happening guys, this is Shukesh and today I will show you a software called PassFab iPhone Unlocker, which helps you unlock your iPhones without the password or Apple ID. So maybe you forgot the password of your Apple iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, or maybe your iPhone or iPad is disabled, the Face or Touch ID is not being recognized, and you broke the screen of your Apple device and you cannot input the password. Before you dispose of the device, to safeguard your data, you can factory reset without the Apple ID or password, that is without accessing the display. So with this PassFab iPhone Unlocker, you can make your useless Apple device usable again. And with this software, you can also remove any restriction you have on the screen time maybe set by your employer. And lastly, with PassFab iPhone Unlocker, you can remove any MDM lock. That is, you can remove remote management to get rid of other supervision. You can download this software from the link in the description of this video, and there are Windows as well as Mac versions of PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can try it free of cost before you purchase. Now, before I give you a demo of this software, I want to share with you some restrictions. If the Find My iPhone is on your iOS device, then if the iOS version is 10.2 and below, your data will be lost. But if the iOS version is from 10.2 to 11.3, your data won't be lost. For iOS version 11.4 and above, the screen is locked and two-factor authentication is on. You can use our software, but your device data will be lost and your system will be updated to the latest version. If Find My iPhone is off, iOS version is 10.2 and above, the data won't be lost, otherwise the data will be lost. It does not support removal of Apple ID from inactivated devices, and you should be using the software responsibly. Any kind of illegal activity is not our responsibility or liability. Maybe you want to use the software to unlock stolen devices, which you should not do, and we will not be held responsible for that. Now it's time to show you how to use the software. It supports latest iOS versions and also the latest iPhones. Now guys, let me show you how to use this software PassFab iPhone Unlocker. So this is the user interface, very simple, intuitive, to the point. You get the option unlock iOS screen, so you can just simply click on start. You also get three other options separately for unlocking your Apple ID, for removing screen time passcode, and for bypassing MDM. So let's start with unlock iOS screen. Now my iPhone 7 has been connected, and there are a few notes here like removing the screen lock will erase data on my iOS device. Your iOS version will be updated to the latest version, and also the device should have enough power. So let's click next, and it will be downloading the matching firmware so that you can actually remove the existing firmware and update to the latest version without the passcode. You can also import local firmware from your computer itself if you have already downloaded, or if you want to install any previous firmware without updating to the latest one, which can be really useful for you. So let's download it. The downloading has started, so let's wait for a while. There you go, the firmware has been successfully downloaded. Now the screen lock is being removed, so it's gonna take some time, but it's definitely worth the wait. There you go, the lock has been removed successfully. It's as easy as that. No technical knowledge is required. Now just set up the device as a new one. Now unlock Apple ID is basically what I have just shown you. So definitely PassFab iPhone Unlocker can be very useful. You can buy the full version at as low as $36 for 1 month license, but for a little bit extra you can get the 1 year license at $40, and for $50 you get the lifetime license. So definitely try this software out. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching guys.